Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo. I'm so glad that you have joined us for day 10 of Getting Back to Health. So day 10 is a little bit of a follow-on from yesterday when we were talking about parasites. We're looking at gut health. Now they say that most of our health problems start in the gut. So we want to make sure that we're looking after our guts. So there are some key pointers that I'm going to share with you that can aid in this looking after our guts. The first thing is, when we're having our meals, ensure that you do not eat and drink with your meals. I know already some of you are saying, but I can't, I've got to have a drink with my meal. Okay, and I know it's a challenge, and I'm not going to say just stop it straight away. What I would suggest is that if you feel you have to drink with your meal, sip it with your mouth of food so that it's masticated in with the food you're eating. But ideally, I recommend that you don't eat and drink at the same time. Why? Because this weakens the digestive system and the digestive process, causing the food to take longer to digest. Point number 2 is make sure that you take your time to chew your food. Sometimes we're always in a rush these days, but it's important to take time when we're eating. So it's recommended that we chew our foods for at least 20 chews. Third point is just make sure that you're relaxed when you're eating. Meal times should really be a time of enjoyment, sharing with your family, just a time where we're relaxed and we can enjoy the meal. And how can we build up our gut bacteria? 2 things I will recommend is, one is sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is excellent for building up gut bacteria. And you can buy it or you can make it. I've made it before and it's quite straightforward and simple. And it's really excellent for the gut. Just add it to your meals, to your salad. The next pointer is, try water kefir. Again, water kefir is excellent to build up the gut bacteria because it really feeds the gut really well. And if you look on some of my older videos, you will see where I've made water kefir, and I can't recommend it enough. Although sometimes it can become a little bit effervescent, it's not the same as the fizzy drinks and it doesn't have the same impact. But so I would recommend water kefir, and you could check out my old video on how to make it. Again, I would recommend trying either one of these, and because we want to build up our gut bacteria, our gut health, so that we can be in the very best of health, so we can have the optimum health moving forward in 2023. Thank you for joining me today on another how to get back to good health, and look forward to seeing you on day 11. Take care and God bless. Bye.